Okay, good afternoon, and task this afternoon, new brakes on my NC700x EBC high performance organic brake pads. Never done it before. It's a joint braking system. I don't know that that makes any difference, and it looks as though this back one, if I undo this bolt here, it will lever up to allow the pads out. So I'm just going to undo that pin or loosen it off, hopefully. Yes, I am. Is that the whole pin or is that a cap? Yeah, that's the pin. Okay, and then undo that one, probably, maybe. Not quite sure. That definitely looked too big. That's better. Yeah, lack of grease in the boot. But do we get yes, we do. Looking very crusty. Right, finished taking that pin out. Very rusty and crusty. But more on it than I thought. 1.5 mil or something. Not ideal, but how rusty they are. Try and get the backing plate off. At that. Yeah, as I say, I bought this bike as an unknown quantity. The place I bought it off dropped the price a bit if I took it without them inspecting it, which meant I could get it probably about 8 weeks earlier because they were so busy. So this is what I'm now paying the price. Definitely looks as though this bike has been left outside. Oh yeah, that one's a good clean. Right. Might actually be better to take that off. It's like a 14 mil at the back. What size are you? 14. It is a 14. Oh, that's a knuckle breaker. Let's get the big gear on that. That's better. Bit of leverage. Oh yeah, we've got cobwebs and all manner of rot going on, and the piston is fucked. I don't know how well that cleans up, but that It feels a bit more like rust than just road grime. Right, oh, it is moving, but it is just grime that's been baked on over the years. Right, I'll give that a good clean up, hopefully, and I'll bring you back. Okay, that's had a clean as best I can, and I've pushed it back in. Did revert to, or resort to, a bit of Scotch-Brite. The face of it isn't 100%, but it's 1,000 times better than it was. So it's one of those, give it a go and monitor it. Let's put some grease in there. And on the pin. Yeah, so yeah, as I say, it's cleaned. It's not perfect by any means. No, it wants to go back more. Or do I want to take them vibration pads off? Let's get that off. Get that piston right back. Right, piston is definitely flush now. And they just sort of hook in to that. It still don't want it. Yes, it does. So that's the brake pad, that silvery bit there, and it sits in this notchy bit with a clip in there, if you can see that. And then this needs to go back in there. Like that. Like that, and then I need to get this gated to seat properly. I need to bring that out a bit. Screwdriver. Ah, that's what should happen. The bolt should come out through the spacer. he discovers. Alright, so that. Right, that looks more like a boot. And there's a ridge either side of that pin, which the boot sits in. Right, get the excess grease off my fingers. Push the pads back in again. Oh, make a right ball ache of this. Alright, there we go. Now let's get that through there. Right. Yes. We've got a pad either side of the disc. So now we can do it up. Well, I say we. I can do it up. That's that on there. Then we just want the 8mm to put the pin in. Well, that had some pain in the arse tendencies. Apart from that, it's all done. New brake pads on the back of my NC700x. Marvellous. Pump them up. Oh yeah, that's a good pedal. Right, there you go. Rear pads changed. And if you want to watch the front pads being changed, look for the next video. But yes, that's rear brakes on my NC700X. All done. Thanks for watching. Catch you again. Ta-ra.